Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
All right, it's a dynamic situation out there late this afternoon going into this evening as we take a look downtown over the city right now. This is looking more in an easterly direction, and that's where we have some thunderstorms right now. And you can see even here locally, we've had some downpours move through, even an occasional flash of lightning as we look over the city right now. So we'll show you where some of those thunderstorms are. 63 now at the top of the hour. Winds out of the north and west, light. They will be through the overnight, so we'll have a few showers and thunderstorms around this evening, but the rain will taper. Patchy fog will develop later tonight with light winds and lows in the mid-50s. Tomorrow's a nice day. Some drizzle, some fog early, and then partly to maybe even mostly sunny. It'll turn breezy and warmer by the afternoon, a high of 75. All right, let's bring you up to date, show you what's going on. This is really interesting from a meteorological standpoint. This area low pressure going right over the Binghamton area. You see that spin right there? Pretty neat to see, and that's where we have most of the convective element to this, meaning thunderstorms, because that's where the air is being lifted as that low pinwheels across the southern tier. Let's go in a little closer, get you into Otsego County, some downpours near Morris, over to, towards Edmiston, New Berlin right now. A pretty nasty thunderstorm there just to the east of Norwich, some gusty wind, maybe some small hail. This is the thunderstorm that we were just looking at on the iNet. Just to the east of downtown, getting ready to move into western Herkimer County, down the thruway towards Herkimer, German Flats. You'll probably get some gusty wind, maybe a little small hail, and some frequent lightning as that thunderstorm rolls through. All right, so talking about the weather tomorrow, nice day. Warm day, should be mainly dry, but you'll want to grab the umbrella again with more rain developing by Friday and another smoke show possibly by Friday into Saturday. We'll take a look at where that smoke is now. So the thickest out towards Minneapolis right now, but notice it's just to the west, and I think with time we're going to see another plume of this smoke head our way. Now it's not going to be to the magnitude of what we had, but you will notice a little bit of haze, I think, going into the weekend. 58 right now in Inlet, low 60s Herkimer to Springfield, 57 in Lawrence, Sherburne at 59. So here's a look, another shot of that area low pressure moving through right now. We'll go way out, and it's kind of all blocked up. Look at this tremendous ridge out in mid-country. That's where the summer warmth is. We've got this little guy here, low pressure moving through, and then another one coming up on Friday. So there goes that one storm, and then we get a break tomorrow. Here comes another little low spinning through on Friday. So Friday will be very similar to what we had today. Temperatures will be cool in the 60s, about a 15% chance, so mainly dry tomorrow, up to 90% chance of rain Friday. And as we go into the weekend, I started hinting at this last night. I now have to include at least a silent, about 20 to 40% chance of showers, maybe even a little smoke as we go into Saturday. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. There could be a shower for Father's Day, but I'm going to keep it out for you, Dad. I want you to feel good. 73, and then even into next week, it's just a few isolated showers here and there with temperatures into the 70s and turning a little more humid by mid-next week. And we're getting some strong signs that by the end of the month, 90 or better. How's that for a proclamation?
Oh, boy.
We'll
It's
see.
gonna be hot.
Yes, so we didn't blow it all back in May when it was all warm and summery. We'll see what happens towards the end of the month, but it could get pretty warm around here.
All right, thanks, Craig. Let's take a look at what's coming up tonight.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Evening to you. Have a look downtown tonight. Lights of the city so pretty tonight with cloudy skies, and we've had some scattered showers and even some downpours that have moved through. Still have a few that are out there tonight. So let's talk about the forecast tonight. Any rain will taper through the overnight. And one thing that we're going to see is areas of fog develop. We've already seen that, especially top Smith Hill here. Visibility is very low. because we have all that moisture, and temperatures are going to end up in the low 50s, low to mid. That's pretty much where they are now. So Saranac Lake's 55, it's 54 in Inlet and Old Forge. We drop you south, Coldbrook 56, 57 in Herkimer, 54 Springfield Center. Lawrence checks in at 54 degrees, 55 in Sherburne over towards Moravia, and low and mid 50s as you make your way towards the Mohawk Valley and Minden as well. All right, so I think the weather looks pretty nice as we go into Thursday. It should be dry. Start out with some patchy fog, some drizzle around. Then it'll become partly sunny, maybe mostly sunny. But you'll want to have the umbrella at least handy again by Friday, as we'll have another round of rain coming in. So Friday looks very similar to what happened today. So that kind of gives you an idea what to expect on Friday. Somewhere in the 60s, we'll have rain around, maybe a few downpours and thunder. And then another smoke show. Different meaning, obviously, when it comes to the weather. We're going to be talking about some more wildfire smoke, I think, as we get into Friday. A little bit tomorrow, and then Friday and Saturday. However, it's not going to be to the level that it was. So the thickest smoke right now west, so you got to go up into the Arrowhead of Minnesota and the upper Midwest to find the really thick smoke there. But watch as we go. This is going to kind of loiter out here, but some of this darker green will slowly start to work its way east as we head into the end of the week. So Friday into Saturday, maybe a little bit of haze late tomorrow. Super well-defined area, low pressure. You can see, look at the spin right there. So see that? Right there. That's that center of low pressure right now. Still have some showers wrapping around the backside of it. We'll go in a little closer here. So the Mohawk Valley, parts of Fulton County near Gloversville, west to Dolgeville, near Oppenheim. Down to the south, couple showers, Morris, Milford, Cooperstown, down 205 to Oneonta, and then off to the west. Some pretty good rain coming into Sylvan Beach and just to the west of Verona and into western parts of Oneida County right now. So watch this kind of spin around and move away through the overnight. That should set us up for a nice day on Thursday. We'll start out with some fog in the morning, maybe some drizzle, and then that should clear out. We should have partly mostly sunny sky, maybe a little smoky late in the day. I think temperatures are in the mid-70s. And then another round of rain arrives on Friday as our next area of low pressure kind of spins its way through. So again, it will be very similar to what we had today. So about 15% tomorrow. We jump to 90% on Friday in terms of the rain. And as we go into the weekend, unfortunately, I have to include a silent, like 20 to 40% chance of a shower. Mid-70s tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny. Low clouds, areas of fog developing now with a temperature of 58, calm wind. That's another key to that fog development. 7-day forecast, we're in the mid-70s tomorrow, so a nice day. More rain on Friday. 60s, similar to where we were today. Few showers, maybe a little smoky Saturday. Could be a shower for Father's Day, but I'm going to keep it out because I'm trying to be optimistic here. And even into next week, not much, just a few isolated showers here or there. Temperatures warming into the upper 70s to near 80.
I love this pattern in the 7-day. Rain one day, nice day the next, then rain again.
Yeah.
Gives us a little break, but that rain that we still need.
Every other day. We don't want too much more of it. Looks like we do have another round of it, though, coming on Friday.
All right, thanks, Greg. When we come back, 4 of the school's varsity athletic programs cut from Utica University.
Witness weather forecast.
Evening to you, gang. So we've been dealing with the wet weather here through this evening. Still a little bit out there tonight. It's good. We need it. And we have a couple of rounds still that are on the way. We'll take a look at where the rain is now and what to expect here as we go down the road. We look downtown tonight where we have a good deal of clouds, also some patchy fog developing. The lights of the city there looking nice. And tonight I expect these showers to slowly start to taper off. Some patchy fog developing, already noticeable, especially some of the higher elevations like up here on Smith Hill. Light wind, temperatures low to mid-50s. Through the day tomorrow, actually pretty nice day. We start out with some patchy fog, some drizzle early. then partly sunny, mainly dry. Breezy and warmer for the afternoon. High temperatures will make it into the mid-70s. That's good, right? All right, 50s now across northern New York State, Saranac Lake to Inlet at 54, Old Forge as well. Mid-50s in Oppenheim, Ephrata, 56 Coldbrook, 57 right now in Herkimer. Low to mid-50s in Otsego County, 55 in Hamilton, 57 here in town, 58 in Camden. Here's what to expect. A nice Thursday, warm day. Temperatures again making it into the mid-70s, but you want to grab the umbrella again. As we go into Friday, we have our next round of rain that will be building in, and maybe a little bit more of that Smokey the Bear smoke show coming up here as we get into late tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. So I want to show you this. Now, keep in mind, this is not going to be as low or as close to the surface as what we just went through. So this is vertically integrated smoke. So this is way up high, but notice these darker colors here spilling across the Great Lakes again. Watch as we go through the day. It inches ever so closer, so it will become a little hazy again, I think. And then into Friday and Saturday, probably dealing with some more of that wildfire smoke drifting through. What we're dealing with in the here and now is this area low pressure that's spinning around near Albany. Super well defined too. You can see that spin there. And as we go in a little closer, we've got wet weather extending down through Madison County, Hamilton, Route 20, and then down into northern Shenango County. Also some wet weather near the Herkimer area, some downpours there, and some lighter rain near downtown right now. So there goes the one storm spiraling away. So I think we get a nice wedge of dry air in here tomorrow. But watch as we go into Friday. Another little guy spins up here and works his way across pretty much the same track. So it goes right across the southern tier, up 88 towards Albany. So that is going to mean another round of wet weather spinning on through on Friday. Friday looks pretty similar to what we had today. Should be dry tomorrow, about a 90% chance on Friday, so a good chance that you get wet Friday. As we get into the weekend, silent chance, like let's say like 20 to 40% chance of a shower. So it's certainly not going to ruin the weekend, but I kind of hinted at this last night. I was getting a little more nervous. So there could be a few showers around over the weekend. I think mainly dry for Dad's Day, could be a shower. And next week, not bad. Isolated shower here or there. Temperatures in the upper 70s with more humidity. And as I said earlier, Jamie, by the end of the month, oh, get ready. Get ready. I think it's going to feel like summer around here.
Just in time for that summer solstice, right?
Yeah, next week, I believe.
21st?
21st, yeah.
Yeah, coming right up. Thanks, Craig. We'll be back with some more Eyewitness News right after this break. Stay with us.